Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Cheche Stitches. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys steps I took in designing this tote bag with jute material. In this channel I share dressmaking and bag making tutorials. So if this is your first time in this channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome as well. Steps I took in designing this tote bag using jute material. The making of this tote bag is a very easy one to design. As you can see, no lining, nothing complicated inside the bag. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. One thing about this particular jute material, I love everything about it. The texture, the quality, the thickness, everything just very nice, you get, because my previous video, the jute bag, the jute material I usually work with, I don't like it that much. It's very light, but when I found this one, I felt in love with this one, and it's very quality. So the length I cut down for this is 8.5 inches and the width is 10 inches. You cut out this both the front and the back. You need about, let me say, half yard is enough to design this bag for you. So starting from those points, I'm going to measure to meet the other points. This is basically going to help you to know the length of this, or like length of your side. So when I measured it, I got 26.5 inches. So I'm going to go now and cut out 26.5 inches as the length of my bag, which I've already cut out. And for the width, I cut out 3.5 inches for the width. For the handle of this tote bag, I cut out the length as 16.5 inches and the width as 2 inches. At this handle part, how I'm going to stitch this handle is I'm going to first of all come down by 2 inches. So this part I marked 2 inches, that line I only start from the line and stitch to meet the other line, so that 2 inches up won't be stitched. So guys, these are steps I took in designing this tote bag using jute material. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified when I post new video. Drop a comment on the comment section below and share this video to people. It will be helpful too. And yeah, this is basically all for today's video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.